So friends, to solve this expression, we follow the BODMAS rule. As a useful trick for complex fraction is to simplify the numerator and denominator parts separately before the final division. Simplify the numerator. Now the expression of the numerator is 8 minus square bracket 5 minus 3 plus 2 square bracket of and then divided by 2. Now innermost bracket we have to solve minus 3 plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 equals to minus 1. Now second step, square brackets. Now solve for the square bracket 5 minus and then minus 1. Now the property, subtracting a negative is the same as adding minus a plus a. So simply 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Now third division, apply the division before subtracting. So first 6 divided by 2, simply we get 3 and then final subtraction. So 8 minus 3, you will get 5. So 5 we got the answer as a numerator part. Now the second step, simplify the denominator. Simplify the denominator. Now you can see the denominator expression here. Step 1, absolute value. You can see absolute value like this. So treat this like a brackets first. So property says absolute value always results in a non-negative number. So there is a 5 minus 3. You will get simply 2 and answer is 2. Now the second 5 minus 8 and you will get minus 3. So answer will be 3. Rewrite the expression. So 2 minus 3 divided by 3. Now division, perform division before subtraction. So there will be 2 minus 1 and after finally subtract you will get 1. Now final calculation, divide the result of the numerator by the denominator part, which is first 5 numerator part and denominator part is 1. So you will get simply 5. So the correct option is D is the right answer. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.